Welcome.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Amanda Mena.
And how old are you, Amanda?
I'm 15 years old.
15 years old.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
What do? Do you sing?
I sing. I love singing.
You love music? Mm-hmm. Is it something you do as a hobby? Does it make you feel good?
I feel like my experiences really connect me to like music. I love it.
What is your experience that...
I was raised in Dominican Republic till I was 4 years old. So when I came here, I didn't know a word of English.
Really?
And I got bullied a lot. So all that kind of gave me tough skin.
I just want to ask a question, and I do hear this a lot, unfortunately. You got bullied. What got you through that whole period?
I think it was really music and my mom.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
You ready to wow us?
Yeah.
Go ahead, young lady.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck.
Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind. But you're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. Ooh, look what you've done to me, yeah. And ooh, you make me feel so good inside, yeah. And I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel so alive. You make me feel like a natural woman. Thank you so much.
I mean, wow. I am just blown away
Thank you so
with
much.
your beautiful voice. I mean, you have a beautiful voice and you're a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
I loved it.
Well, I gotta say, you sang Natural Woman. You are a supernatural talent.
Thank you.
Simon?
Do you know what you have, Amanda? You have genuinely natural soul.
Thank you.
You really, really do. I mean, that's not an easy song to sing. This is an audition we're going to remember for a long time, Amanda.
All right, Mel B, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, where do I start? That was just incredible.
Thank you.
Oh, I got all goose pimples all over. I mean, it's just crazy. I love you. I love your voice. And this is what I'm gonna say to all those bullies. Well done, well done. You are incredible. Do you know what raw talent you have? You are amazing, absolutely amazing and beautiful. Come here. Ooh.
Can I just say something? Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below. Just saying.